Check this out. This is how I make summertime vinegar slaw. Goes great with anything barbecue. So easy to make, and it's the perfect side dish. Get half a red bell pepper, carrot, some cilantro, red or green cabbage, some olive oil, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, red onion, and celery seed. Then sweeten it up with a little sugar or honey. Mix it up real good. Then give it a taste and adjust your seasonings. Cut your veggies any way you like. This peeler is the best. Slice your cabbage on the mandolin using the thinnest setting. Slice up a little red onion or use some scallions. Mix it up and give it a taste. Readjust your seasonings if necessary. And that's it. Thanks again for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Continue watching for some outdoor bonus footage. Very beautiful. Somebody likes carrots. Somebody likes carrots. I know it's not Brofus. Brofus don't eat carrots. Who's a good boy?